Yeah. 2022. Def Tech.
I feel the things that you do. I feel the things that you say. Yeah. You say, yeah. 'Cause there is something about you. 'Cause there is something for days. 今も旅の途中